Father, please forgive me, for I have sinned terribly.
Country hard, so it dey hard when you see person when not the same. So continue.
Father, you remember last month bazaar?
Yes.
We be say deputy governor come donate money.
Yes.
Even honorable come donate money. Go church congregation. I dey talk about the church project money.
I dey hear you.
You know, and I'm still am.
Jesus!
Yes!
Jesus!
Father.
No verse, a mistake.
Hello my people on a day, it's your boy OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. Guys, thanks for always watching, I really appreciate it. This video here is going to be very short, so trust me on that. It's going to be very short, so make sure to watch it to the very end and tell me your favorite part of the video in the comment section. You understand? And do not forget to subscribe if you're yet to do that, and share this video. It's very important and you get why. So don't play my people, let's go have some fun.
That our apartment, one Yahoo boy don't come lush. He don't there now 2 weeks.
How do you know it's a Yahoo boy?
You don't get time when we say I come here, come tell you say person na Yahoo, the person no be Yahoo.
Alright, what's his room number?
Yo, may I come tell you in room number. You will say that
Nasboi.
first time I call you, may you come arrest person. You come here, you know if you even say okay, take this small thing.
Mr. Man, calm down. We're going to do you well this time around.
Oh yeah, rooping is
Come and get that finger out of my face. How do we identify him? What's his complexion?
completion. He no complete anything now.
What's his skin color? Is he fair?
Okay, na very dark man.
Start heading to the apartment.
Me when I no go tell him say na me tall.
Come on,
This is a very
move.
dark man.
They teach us our work.
Sir, you check my phone. You can't even check my laptop. I don't do Yahoo. I have never done Yahoo. All I do is Jotter.
What is altar?
Sir, Agkaay is a licensed broker regulated by NISC and FSCA. They've been in the market for 13 years. They are available in over 180 countries.
Akpa, see your polo fine, no?
No be my polo self. Now my friend Tom Polo. Now when DFC don't give me better money like this, now I'll come go buy my own club.
You can use the promo code Nasboi to double your deposit. And you'll see that Agkaay is
See the EFCC apprentice where you come and I go arrest person.
Altar boy.
So,
Do normal now. We don't they go.
bring it.
I don't really sabi say una go one do scope. Shame na me come do whistle blow. Na me tell una say the boy na Yahoo boy.
The boy is not a Yahoo boy.
But you don't collect money. You don't want to give me my own percent. Okay, DFC. Me una swear. Send no transfer money put for una GBT.
Nasboi, mumu eh.
You be man, oh, you know the last, oh. I be you be man, oh, you know get spam, oh. I be you be man, oh, your team, they sing, oh, your team, oh, my brother.
What up?
How you doing?
What did they say?
My brother, now we they say everything where they make man happy.
Are you serious?
You see this one where they see here now?
Wow.
Now this one they call Ngangale Bumebu. This one where they see here, now they call Mahaferu, aka spermatozoa. This one, once you just swallow up, spam na water. I get it, now spam I get.
Spam na water.
Problem they say, you get the one where they make person. This thing they big because my own is small. You're pretty small. What else now? People stay around this place. Why you shouting it now? Sorry. People live around here now.
Sorry.
Does everyone know?
No verse.
Plus, what's that?
No verse.
My brother, God has answered your prayer. Now this one will call pericoma.
Pericoma.
Take am.
$30.
First of all, no drink am for afternoon.
Okay.
No drink am for morning.
Okay.
Take am by 1 a.m. Once you just drink and finish, 2 minutes.
Let's have it.
Na lie.
To get long. No we are tight boxers so because if you come the do now you go tear the boxers. You understand?
This one na how much?
12,000 naira. But if you add 1K for your man, you know.
It's nothing now.
For you to feel solve waiting man they suffer for years. You know what they see.
So you go just
If I hear say you go walk.
Igbo ogboria ho. Ogboria ho.
You know even price, nothing.
Peri.
I don't go.
You don't go.
I do 13,000.
13,000. Because this 30 way you do wait.
This one you don't choke Sabinus.
Make I add small spermatozoa for you.
Okay.
Correct guy. Mix am. As you dey drink, you go call peri. Don't forget to peri.
Why yeah?
And after one, I don't take too short already. Nothing the long. Hey. Oh God, it's even reducing. It's supposed to be increasing. It's reducing.
It's reducing.
I've been a reduction on this boy give me. What is going on? I for manage this thing the way they do.
You are good. Don't worry. You go.
13K don't come up for your account.
Don't they call me? I'm coming.
Why should not do something when they say, eh?
The next day.
Odogu carry Odogu.
Hey, bro.
Odogu carry Odogu.
Come.
Yeah, brother, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, it's like you want treatment. My guy. Okay, I'm here. I want to be that. What's the problem?
What, the man, young man. Now me try that rubbish with.
What is that? I know you.
Get mine. Say something when you walk. You.
Who are you? I know you. I don't.
Okay. Stop that rubbish.
You
don't know me.
Oh, okay. Now you be that there when you print that.
Why do all these guys say what happen?
Let's watch this video. Okay, tell them what to make you homie now. They look me. Tell them what's the problem.
Wait till happen. What are the shots for? I don't know your voice. Wait till they happen.
Don't be waiting if you just talk like that openly. This thing I waiting me and I didn't know what he didn't do.
If you don't talk this way, I'll leave this guy shirt.
Okay, leave my clothes. He know what he didn't do. What did I do?
The grace, the thing will happen. Him know. It's within me and him. Oh yeah, talk out.
Go just the harass person. Eh? Mami tell me a prick.
What's that?
Why is he shouting?
Bro, come on, friend. They go like this.
Why is this boy shouting?
They go your side.
No be something to be ashamed of now.
Be careful.
I don't want any noise for you.
Now you and guys there, no be you and
This corruption starts from citizens, so it starts from citizens.
no be say make your thing small now, make your gbola small.
I'm dying inside though. A lot of things are happening to me. All those things when they see now come on fragile.
But baby, if they truly robbed you, how come you're still with the phone? Oh babe, I planned the whole thing. You know I'm dating a Beanie boy. And Beanie boys, whenever they're having issues with you or they want to break up with you, they will take everything they got from you. So me, I plan on, swapping this phone to another caller and telling him my brother got it from me. Okay. What are you going to do with his own phone? See, I want to give him his phone, but I don't even know how to.
Hi.
Hi.
You come make I see you. See, as things be like this now, bombing don't hard. As they don't thief my phone, I don't feel bomb. Sure you get. So you fair give me all these things back.
Babe.
You know, say now you be the bad luck where I get. Since I don't need bomb, nobody don't thief for my. Come all this thing for me. Wait till happen with the men. No be investment. Person invest, you go get returns now. I'll sell them these ones like this, buy a new phone. All my clients now, me can never lose them. Why you they sound? Ha! Come all these things fast. Come all this one. Division of labor. Correct. Bye bye. I don't want to see you again. Shady hear me.
Oh my God!
So this is how Beanie boys are. Didn't I tell you? This is how Beanie boys are. What are you going to do with his phone? Phone where I will set tomorrow for computer village. I'm going to buy all the jewelry where you collect from me now. I support you. Yes, I will show Beanie boy say me, I be Igbo girl.
Wow.
Hi. Welcome.
How you doing?
Fine.
How is it today? Please, can you check my account balance? Okay.
Service occurrence. Okay. It's cute.
I was wondering, like, are you single? Hey, you're not just saying this, like, are you really?
I'm single. Are you single? Yes, are you single?
Yeah, I'm single. That's no sex.
My name is Ichi.
My name is Val.
Nice to meet you.
Same here. Let me just, just take this.
200K.
Or anything.
Deposit.
No, not deposit, for you.
Wow, my love.
My love, you don't turn love. No.
Nice to meet you.
Same here. You know what? Let me just make it a round figure for you so that, you know, guys, this we always
400K.
But talk with me.
Thank you.
Can I have your number?
Yes.
Or if possible, you know what? I'll just give you my card. Yeah, here's my card.
I'll call you.
Do call me.
I'll wait.
Please do call me.
I must.
I must.
Alright, see you next time.
Thank you.
I'm expecting your call.
I'll wait.
It's not like that.
I don't want trouble. I want yours the rest. You go be asking now, let me day, yeah.
Bless you. Next time, no day. Sunday, yeah. We're gonna do fast. Father, please forgive me, for I have sinned terribly.
Country hard, so they hard may see person when they sin. So continue.
Father, you remember last month bazaar?
Yes.
We be say deputy governor come donate money.
Yes.
Even honorable come donate money. Who church congregation? I did talk about the church project money.
I didn't hear you.
You know, and I'm still on.
Jesus!
Yes!
Father.
No verse, a mistake. So where the money?
I used to pay my babe house rent.
Chai!
From the Jotter that day, I noticed saying that 8.something million I they donate.
Yes, Father.
So where the remaining one?
I go board the rest for Quilox.
You bought her for where? As your face dey innocent, your heart dey for back. I don't believe saying that you go thief that money. The thing there is that this is forgiving ground. God have forgiven you.
Thank you, Father.
But I need to cast out that spirit.
Yes, Father.
So I dey come make I bring sanitizer.
We just pray.
Your time is on. Get ready to die. It's
okay. Catch up, of course.
Father, what about us?
Today confession don't end. May when they go out. This matter they pressing and we will continue next week.
This guy more. Crazy guy.
Thank you.
You know, all my life, I thought I had a type until I met you. You're not just my type. You are my manifestation. Please be my girlfriend.
Oh my God! Sister's about to have a boyfriend! I'm so precious! Come here immediately! Precious! Sister's about to have a boyfriend! Oh, birthday! Truly, this is not a coincidence. This is a cosmic alignment. This is called the law of attraction and manifestation.
Exactly. This is called the law of attraction, and it says if you vividly visualize something, speak it into your existence and align it with your energy, and boom, it manifests. Oh, Uncle, you're such a manifestation. Today is my auntie's birthday. Today's her birthday, and today's life.
Hey!
Uncle Manifestation!
My girl, yeah, today's her birthday. Today when you ask her out, now you don't know her birthday. My guy, Jackpot. Why your road long like this?
Jesus! Jesus! God have mercy upon us.
What do you want that for life? What do you want that for? How you go carry him at the knack for life? For life. Relationships, let's see.
Where are you going after this?
Baby boy.
Hi, my love. I miss you so much.
Hey, my love. I miss you too. Where are you?
I'm at my dad's right now. I'm going to call you back later.
Alright, cool. I'll pass through.
Alright, you find me.
I'm with my dad.
Your taxi is waiting for you.
Okay.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Hey.
Bye. Have fun.
I know, right? I'm too glow. What do you expect?
Real bad.
Mene kuchi, besa ya mene kuchi, kuila pa mene kuchi, besa ya mene kuchi.
Hey baby. Hello my love, I miss you so much. I miss you too, baby.
Babe, can I call you later? I'm with my dad right now.
Oh, alright.
I'm with my dad right now.
Bye, baby.
It's my dad right now.
Wait a minute.
It's my dad right now.
I'm with my dad right now. Can I call you back later? I'm with my dad right now. Can I
My guy might not come back. It's your dad. All of them they do with my dad.
Am I stuck with the receptionist? The receptionist. I need perfect. Yeah, from my perfect. But I need process. I need process. Why not white? Ana then a white. Not a fruit to
the person know they see the hand where you do
don't bring anything that is white cheese in compression. Go perfect.
God have mercy upon us. Are you wonder? Yeah?
The blood of Jesus.
Hey!
A very stupid.
After all this show, one blade like fire.
They struggle. They find money.
Good afternoon.
Fresh fish.
Okay. How many kilos?
1 kilo, how much?
1 kilo is 3,000 naira.
Jesus.
1, 2.
It's 3,000. Fish don't cost. It's 3,000 naira.
3,000 naira, abi?
Yes, 3,000.
Yeah.
Bro, should I cut the fish?
Yes. The fish?
Yes.
People, they cut fish.
Yes, there's the cut it now.
They cut fish.
You can't put it in your soup like this.
Nah, that's something to put inside soup. Just cut it into two now.
Okay. You guys say this Nigeria economy no be your side.
I wonder.
How are you?
I'm good.
No, that figure your number. Let me hear you talk.
My thanks. Let me have chicken sandwich.
It's ringing.
I will call you.
Do you have prawns?
I don't get it.
I will call you. I'm gonna make her give you 1.8.
You know, green at 3,000 last.
After I don't cut and finish. Oh my God.
I'm impressed.
Nobody are they finding a lady no. With the money.
Hello?
We met at the market just now.
Yeah, I saved the number.
Okay. I don't know. Do you live around?
Yes, now. The street with the back of market. The first house by your right. Now there they stay.
I actually came to surprise a friend. Unfortunately for me, she's not home. I don't know if I can just stay with you for a while before she comes back.
Why not? Once you reach the house, let me know. Second house by your right. Welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Make yourself comfortable.
Everybody deal with the love of their life. See where I did.
They struggle.
You cook, right?
One man.
I cook rice.
Please serve me small.
You dey quick feel comfortable.
Get away on that. Hunger don't finish. Let's not get one.
Manage this one.
Thank you.
You dey look for something?
I thought you bought fish.
That one. You don't scatter.
Everything scatter.
Now guys, they go just dey find unnecessary impression. You dey impress, you won't go market, when you go buy fish, you don't get money. Because say you see girl, you don't confuse price again, you buy her just like that. You see girl, you say she know who shishi. She know who shishi, you collect her number, now she dey find where she go chop. Once they find meat, once they find fish inside the food where you give her. Or more this life, na package, you know. People just package themselves anyhow. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. I told you it's going to be very short, and it was short. So thanks for watching, and I really appreciate that. What's your favorite part of the video? Please drop it right in the comment section, and please, you can also check out my other videos. Then plenty yakpa. So check them out, my people. And see you in my next video, guys. Peace out.